Little storyteller.
Lily loved to play. Her favorite toy was a fluffy bunny. One sunny day, Lily saw her mom with a big pile of clothes. Her mom looked a little tired. Lily wanted to go play with her bunny in the garden, where colorful flowers bloomed. But she saw her mom sigh. "This laundry is a lot," her mom said softly. Lily held her fluffy bunny close. She thought about the fun she could have. Then she looked at her mom's tired face. "Mom," Lily said, "can I help?" Her mom smiled, a big, warm smile. "Oh, Lily, that would be very kind." Together they started folding. Lily folded the small socks. Her mom folded the big towels. It took some time, and Lily's bunny waited on the floor. But Lily didn't mind. She liked helping her mom. They talked and giggled as they worked. Soon the big pile of clothes was gone. Her mom hugged her tight. "Thank you, Lily. You made my day so much easier." Lily felt warm and happy inside. Playing is fun, but helping someone you love feels good too. It's like a hug for your heart. Afterward, Lily still had time to play with her fluffy bunny in the garden. The flowers looked even brighter now. Giving a little of your time to help can make someone very happy.
Please subscribe. Thank you.